how to use the Bitget crypto exchange. This tutorial is going to cover all of the features, how to deposit funds, the supported cryptocurrencies, trading tools, and how to buy and sell tokens all in one video. This will be the only tutorial you need, so let's jump in and get started. So quick overview on Bitget. This is a crypto exchange with millions of users. They offer a proof of reserves for their users. They have billions in trading volume, and this is a platform you can use to buy and sell hundreds of cryptocurrencies, do copy trading, and you can see the features on the top of the screen here. You can open spot accounts, margin, futures accounts, trading bots, and tons of features. This is similar to Binance, KuCoin, and lots of the large crypto exchanges. So let's jump in and show you how to get started on this platform because they do offer quite a few features. Step one is to click the link in the description, and that's going to take you to a page like this. Now, if you don't already have a Bitget account, you can use referral code ATF10X to get a discount on your trading fees, 10% off for life, and up to 6,200 USDT in rewards. When you're creating an account, simply enter your email, create a password, agree to the user agreement, and create an account. It will then ask you to verify your email. Just do that, and you'll probably have to set up a Google Authenticator and just go through the steps to create your account. Once you've created your account, you will be taken to a page like this, and the next step is to verify your identity. You can click this icon here, go to Identity Verification, and that's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Next step is to verify your ID. As you can see, I've done that, and you'll get access to withdrawals, crypto deposits, and other features, as you can see here. It's going to ask you to scan your driver's license or a government-issued document, so go ahead and do that. And then usually you'll get approved automatically, or it could take up to 60 minutes, as it says here. For me, it took around an hour, and then I got verified, and I was ready to use my Bitget account. So after all of that, which is pretty simple, but could take some time to get reviewed, you're ready to use the platform and you have to deposit funds. So to get funds on the platform, there's a few different options. I usually deposit cryptocurrency. Let's start with that. You can click this icon here and click the deposit button. That's going to take you to a page like this, and you can select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, and you can select any coin you want from the hundreds of options. Choose the network you want to deposit with. You can pick something with low fees, such as Polygon, and then Bitget will generate your deposit address, which you can copy and paste into your crypto exchange or crypto wallet where you're sending funds from. Cool thing about Bitget is you can generate as many new addresses as you want for privacy reasons or to just separate your funds. Pretty cool feature. Send your cryptocurrency to the account, and it'll show up in a few minutes depending on which coin and network you send. Just be patient and always double and triple check that the address is correct so you don't lose your funds. The other option is to deposit fiat. To do that, you can actually just click the deposit fiat button here. That's going to open a new window, and you can see these supported cryptocurrencies here. Depending what country you live in, it's going to have a few options. Now, for some of these options, you're going to have to provide a phone number or additional KYC. For example, Australian dollars, it wants to bind a phone number, and the payment methods is through Zen.com. So sometimes, depending where you live, while you can deposit fiat currencies, it might not have the payment methods you want, so it might be easier to deposit crypto. The other option you have to get funds into your account is used as Buy Crypto tab, and then you have the credit card and debit card options. However, sometimes your credit cards can get rejected, again, which is usually why I deposit crypto. But here you have access to more currencies, and these usually have higher fees, and your cards could get rejected, but this is an option for you. Peer-to-peer trading, another option, and you can go through the tabs here to get funds on the platform. You have lots of different options, as you can see. Once you have funds in your account, you can again click this menu, go to Assets, Assets Overview, and the funds will be deposited here. As you can see, this is a platform I use myself, and you can get an overview on all your assets. Now, Bitget has lots of different accounts that you can use, so let's give you a quick rundown on how to move funds within your Bitget account, depending what you want to do. If you want to just simply buy and sell cryptocurrencies, you don't have to move your assets, but if you want to use like trading bots or futures, things like that, you have to transfer funds into those accounts because those are different accounts. So to do that, let's say you want to do futures, you would click on that, click transfer, and this is just going to send it from your spot account to your futures account. You can enter an amount, click confirm, and it will automatically send it there, and that will show up in your futures account. So if you ever need to move funds around the platform, depending on the features you want to use, that's how you do it. You just find this transfer button and send it. It's very simple. Now let's go over how to buy and sell tokens, which is the main reason you want to use this platform. So you can click this trade icon, and you see that you have a bunch of options. The most common is just spot. So you can click on spot. That's going to take you to a page like this. And if you've never seen an advanced platform like this, I will walk you through it. It's actually not as hard as you think. You have this drop-down menu here where you can select your cryptocurrencies. Most of the trading pairs are in USDT. So if you deposited a different cryptocurrency, you're going to want to trade it for USDT. So if you have like ETH, for example, or Solana, you would search it up and trade it for USDT. I'll show you how to do that in a second. You can favorite different tokens here, and that's going to pop up in this list here so you can quickly reference them. And then you have all your different categories here. So do you want USDC, trending tokens, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and your fiat trading pairs? So that's the supported cryptocurrencies. In this menu here, you have more information, such as the 24-hour trading volume, which is something to keep note of for the smaller cryptocurrencies. You have the price. Here are the charts, which you can play around with. You can do technical analysis right on the platform since the charts are integrated with TradingView. So for example, you can do all the TradingView tools, which most exchanges feature. You can change the time frames and play around with all this info. If you mess it up, like I just did, you can just reset the chart with this button here. Here are the order books. So in red, you have the sellers. In green, you have the buyers. You can see the spreads are very tight as there's lots of liquidity and volume on the Bitcoin trading pair. And on the right side of the screen, you have your order menu where you can buy and sell tokens. So the easiest thing for beginners is a market order. This will just take the best price available that it's currently going for, or you can set a limit order to kind of customize the amount that you want. And then you can buy and sell the token of your choice. So let's say I want to do a market order. You can put in the amount of USDT you want to spend in order to buy Bitcoin. You can set a take profit and stop loss if you like. I'll go over this a little later, and then click buy Bitcoin. Now the minimum order amount, as you can see here, is $1. So I can literally just buy $1.03 if I wanted to. But let's say I click buy Bitcoin, it's going to give you an order confirmation. Then I can click confirm if I want to purchase it. If I click confirm, it'll instantly go through, and then you'll be able to see your order history on the bottom here and all the info. If you place a limit order and it hasn't filled yet, that will also show up down here in your open orders. So that's pretty much it. Pretty simple to buy and sell coins. You can switch the coins here, and if you want to buy multiple tokens, it's the same thing for everything. After you purchase it, you can click on this wallet icon here and go back to your assets tab to see all your balances. And then you can withdraw that crypto to a hardware wallet or another exchange of your choice. I'll show you how to withdraw in just a second. Now, the next feature I want to show you is the crypto futures. So if you're an advanced trader, let's go over how you can use this platform. Now, Bitget offers USDT perpetual futures and coin perpetual futures. For this one, you can use cryptocurrencies for collateral, such as Bitcoin, ETH. I believe these are the coins you can use. Most popular is USDT futures. That's what I'm familiar with. And like I said, we have $0 available. You have to transfer funds into these accounts. Another way to transfer is you can do it directly on the page, just clicking this arrow icon. Let me put in $100 just to show you how it works. But confirm. Now you can see we have $100 available. And this menu looks exactly the same as the spot menu. However, the difference here is these two buttons. It says open long and open short. So you can actually bet on the price going down when you are doing futures trading. Another difference is this cross button here. So you can switch between the margin modes. Again, if you are an advanced trader, this is what I would look into. Make sure you know this stuff, and you can change the leverage here. By default, it's set at 10x. You can go all the way up to 125x, which is very high. The higher this number goes, basically, the easier it is to get liquidated. Let's keep it at 10x for this example. Click confirm. Here you can click this button to select the unit you want to enter. So let's say USDT. If I go 100%, we have $100 available. So if we put this slider up to 100%, you can see the position size we can open is about 0.01 Bitcoin. Let me go market order here. And then it shows you the long liquidation price and the short liquidation price. So if I were open this order and Bitcoin hits 93K, that's when I would get liquidated if I'm placing a short, and I would get liquidated at 76,000 if I'm going long. So very important to keep those numbers in mind. Bitcoin has been crashing, so it might crash some more. Now, if I bring this slider down, you can see these numbers are changing because I'm taking less risk. So if I go 100% of my $100 account value, that's the liquidation price. But if I go 11%, you can see how low the liquidation price goes. And then I can also transfer more funds in, and that adding more margin will change those liquidation prices as well. Now you have the take profit and stop loss. So if you're going to be going away from your computer, leaving a trade open overnight, that's when I highly recommend opening a take profit and stop loss. So you can do like return on investment, make it easier. And here you can do like a percentage, so 10%, 100%, 2%, whatever you like. And then it'll show you the info there before you open your trade. You can also edit this after your trade is open. Then you can click open long, for example. It'll always show you a confirmation before and different information that you have, how much margin you're using, how much quantity of Bitcoin you're opening, etc., etc. These are the maker taker fees, which are pretty low on Bitget. And also, once you have your position open, it's going to be at the bottom of the screen here, where you'll also be able to adjust the take profit stop loss, close the order, and see your profit and loss and all that information. Again, this is similar to the spot trading as well. Now, Bitget is also pretty popular for copy trading. So if you open this up, you can see you have spot copy trading, futures copy trading, and a bunch of different options. Now, one thing to keep in mind when searching through the copy traders on this platform is to look out for fakes. There's a lot of people who are kind of manipulating the trades and the stats. So make sure to do your own research and really vet the people that you're going to be copy trading. To do that, you can actually look at their orders that they're placing and just make sure there's nothing fishy going on. Make sure they're placing real orders and they look like a real trader. That's my quick word of advice if you're going to be using the copy trading feature. Now, they also have trading bots. It can get very advanced as well, but this is going to open up in a new window, and they do provide a little bit of tutorial on how to do this. I haven't played around with trading bots a whole lot, but I know they are popular, and Bitget is popular for this reason, and they have lots of advanced features which you can play around with. Now, if you want a video me explaining this more in depth, just leave a comment down below. And if you need to practice, you're a beginner, highly recommend using the demo trading so you can make trades here without risking real money to kind of get a feel for how the platform works. You can see there's 3,000 USDT available here of fake money to just get an idea of how the platform works. So there, I just opened a trade. You can see open orders is right here. That's what it looks like, and so on. And there we go. It just went through. And now we have an open position, and that's what it's going to look like. Again, you can close it, change the take profit stop loss, etc., etc. You can also view it on the chart right here where we opened our position. Now, like I promised, I'll also show you how to withdraw the funds. So your profile stuff can be found in the top right of the screen. So you can click this wallet icon and go to the withdraw tab. You can also click assets and withdraw from there. We're just going to go directly to the page. Select the coin you want to withdraw, click on chain, and select the network you want to withdraw with. If you're curious, these are the fees that Bitget has: $1, $3, 15 cents, 20 cents. So it's pretty cheap overall, very competitive with other platforms, and it supports lots of networks, which is always good. You're going to select the network, enter your withdrawal address like usual. Always double, triple check where it's going. And if you're sending large amounts, it's definitely recommended to do a test transaction first of a smaller amount. If you're not comfortable or you're a beginner, you can always send a test transaction, click next, and go through the process that it walks you through. There's always FAQs on the side of the screen and tips if you get stuck, but pretty simple. Bitget walks you through it. If you want to withdraw fiat, you can click this button here and go through the same process, which is similar to depositing funds. And if you're curious, these are the fiat currencies that Bitget allows you to withdraw. Now you know how to deposit funds with fiat and cryptocurrency, how to place spot trades, use futures, transfer assets in your account. If you think Bitget is the right platform for you, feel free to use the referral code in the description to get a discount on your trading fees. And let me know if you have any questions or something I didn't cover in depth. And here's another video you might want to check out. Thanks for watching.